Gates open, they're up and racing. Scout Ranger moving up. In between runners is No Money, No Honey. Down on the inside is the favorite Tribal Queen as they make their first turn. Tribal Queen in command by about 2 lengths. No Money, No Honey is in second. Scout Ranger is down in third. Moving up to take fourth. JST Maimpok is by the rail. Moving up on the outside is Action Sailor and Lady Sutter running second last, while trailing the group is Isaiah Dragon. Heading towards the last 900, we have the top favorite Tribal Queen maintaining a 6 lengths lead this time. Running in second still is No Money, No Honey. 3 lengths back in third, Scout Ranger. Moving up to take fourth is Action Sailor. JST is by the rail. Then comes Lady Sutter, Maimpok, and a long way back to Isaiah Dragon. Heading towards the last 600, Tribal Queen looks having some problem. Moving up on the outside is No Money, No Honey. This time by about 2 lengths. As they turn towards the last 450, No Money, No Honey. This time by about 2 lengths over. Scout Ranger now in second, and on the outside Action Sailor. Lady Sutter is on the further outside as they turn for home. No Money, No Honey leading the field, and on the outside moving up now is Scout Ranger together with Action Sailor. In between runners is Lady Sutter with the last 75 meters more to run. Lady Sutter, Action Sailor moving up. Now we have Action Sailor by a leg, and finally Action Sailor, Lady Sutter, No Money, No Honey, Scout Ranger Maimpok, Isaiah Dragon, Tribal Queen, and JST.